Binance Wallet balance withdrawal. So let me show you step by step how to do it. First up, after you open up your Binance Wallet, so now go to Asset. After you go to this option, so here you'll be able to see your balance. So from this option now, you'll be able to see all the assets that you are currently holding. So now go and select the one you want to withdraw. So for me, let's say I want to withdraw, let's this one. So after you select the one that you want to withdraw, so at the top there is network. So make sure you choose the network. There is BNB network, Ethereum, Solana. So if you just scroll to the right like this, you'll be able to see all the networks. So go and select the network that you want to withdraw on it. So let's say I want to withdraw on that Solana network. I'll select this one. So this network. After you select the network like this, so the next thing to do, so now you go ahead now and click on the send button. After you click on the send button, now you have two options. There is this one. If you select this one, the balance will be drawn into your Binance exchanger, and if you select the second one, the balance will be withdrawn into an external wallet. So if you select this one, so here it will just automatically be withdrawn the balance into your Binance exchanger. So all you have to do, just type in the amount in this option. After you type in the amount that you want to withdraw, so the next thing to do, just click on this option and then tap on the continue button, this one. So if you tap on this continue button, the balance will be drawn into your exchanger that's in the Binance. So if you tap on this back, so the second option, if you tap on this send to wallet address, so here it will now ask you to paste in the address of the external wallet you want to withdraw to it. So let's say you copy the address and then just long press, tap and hold on this option. So I'll just go ahead now and paste in the address. So after you paste in the address like this, so the next thing to do, so just tap on this option like this. You just go up and tap on continue button. So if you have any balance, so this continue button will be available for you. So because I don't have any balance, that's why the continue button is not available for me. But if you have the balance, just tap on the continue. From there it will ask you to select the network. After you select the network, from there it will ask you to type in the amount you want to withdraw. After that, the balance will be withdrawn into the wallet or into the exchanger you selected. That's it, guys. Binance wallet withdrawal. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next one.